In today's video, it's a short one. It's an extract from a bigger video, which is me fitting a trophy engine lid onto the Spider behind me. This video is about fitting DEI or any other reflective heat shield tape or mat onto a part to protect it from engine bay heat. So this is the stuff right here. It's the DEI reflector cool or something adhesive heat shield. I'll put up a link in the video to it. This is part of a much bigger sheet that I bought. I've already been cutting it down to size, making templates out of it, so it's about half the size it was. But just thought I'd show you the item before I kind of show it you how to fit it and on the part itself. Now you can buy this stuff in gold, you can buy it in silver, you can buy it in tape that's different widths, and obviously the smaller stuff is for doing things like wrapping intercooler pipes and intake pipes, protect them from heat. But this big stuff is for when you want to do big surface areas like engine lids. So this is it. I went for the silver stuff because it was more in keeping with the Renault Spider. It's great stuff. I've used it many times. It's really strong adhesive. You just peel the back off, stick it on whatever. It follows contours really well. It follows shapes really well. You can push it into areas and bend it. It's very strong, doesn't rip. You can cut it easily though with a knife or with scissors. You can kind of wipe it down. It's really kind of hardy stuff. Very thin, very light. So, yep. There it is. Let's move on to actually getting it on a part. So here's one I've semi-prepared earlier. This is the install partway through on the Spider. This is the last piece here to go in that I've already cut down. I just need to peel the backing off and slowly fix it into place. It's kind of like what you do with tinting windows and vinyl wrapping on car parts. Once you've installed it and kind of got it into all the crevices, then just put a bit of heat on it just to kind of activate the adhesive and just to give it a proper sort of bond and proper rub down. So I'll just do this final piece now, this big panel, and then do the heating and then take a look at the finished product.
I had to get away.
So here we are, done now. I've heated it and kind of just made sure that it's all stuck down and under all the side pieces. But you can see from the video that it's quite easy to manipulate, and you can peel it back and reapply it just like you can with vinyl. It's not very difficult to use. And that is how you use the DEI adhesive reflective engine lid, whatever you want to call it, tapes or sheets.